Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to perform a comprehensive SEO audit of any website using the SEOMeter Chrome extension. Start by opening your browser and searching for the Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link to open the store. In the search box, type SEOMeter and select the complete SEO Audit Toolkit. This extension is designed for enterprise-grade SEO analysis. Click the Add to Chrome button, then select Add Extension. The browser will automatically download and install the toolkit for you. Once installed, click on the extension icon in your toolbar and pin SEOMeter. This ensures you can run an audit with just one click at any time. Let's do a quick test on Google.com. Open the extension to see an immediate breakdown of the page's SEO score, meta tags, and content structure. You can easily toggle between tabs like Overview and Meta to see the details. Now let's perform a deeper audit on a specific website. We'll search for WebDeskArt and navigate to their homepage. With the website open, click the SEOMeter icon. As you can see, it provides a good rating of 76 out of 100. In the Meta tab, we can verify the title, description, and canonical URLs to ensure they are optimized. Switch to the Content tab to view the word count and top keyword density. This is crucial for understanding how search engines perceive your page's relevance. You can also inspect the Links tab to check for broken URLs and the Images tab to identify any missing alt text, which is vital for accessibility and image SEO. The extension also covers technical aspects. The Tech tab checks for mobile responsiveness, while the Security tab confirms if HTTPS and SSL protocols are properly enabled. One of the most powerful features is the Reporting tool. Simply click the PDF button at the bottom to generate a professional branded SEO audit report automatically. The generated PDF provides an executive summary, a detailed score breakdown, and a list of specific warnings and past checks. This report is perfect for sharing with clients or using as a roadmap for your optimization strategy. And that's it. You now have a professional SEO audit tool at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.